A micro-instruction format has micro-operation fields which is divided into three subfields F1, F2 and F3, each having 7 distinct micro-operations, a condition field CD for status bit, a branch field BR having 4 options, used in conjunction with the address field ADF. The address space is of 128 memory location. What is the size of micro-instruction? According to this micro-instruction format, the micro-operation field is divided into three subfields F1, F2 and F3. Then we have a condition field, a branch field BR and an address field ADF. The micro-operation field is divided into three subfields F1, F2 and F3, each having 7 distinct micro-operations. So from each subfield, only one micro-operation will be specified at a time. So the 7 signals for these 7 micro operations can be encoded with a lesser number of bits. So how many bits are required? Ceil of log 7 to the base 2. Minimum 3 bits are required in the micro operation field. In each group, also we have a condition field. We know that the condition field is connected to the selection lines of a multiplexer, whose inputs are the status flags or the condition code flags, and here there are 4 status inputs. So to select 4 status inputs, how many bits are required in the selection bit or the condition bits? Minimum 2 bits are required. Also, in addition to the condition field, we have a branch field having 4 options. So this kind of micro instruction format we have already discussed. The branch fields select the type of branch, and here there are 4 options in the branch field. So how many bits are required in the branch field? For 4 options, 2 bits are required. Finally, the address field, given the address spaces of 128 memory locations. There are 128 memory locations in the control memory address space. So how many bits are required in the address field? 128 is 2 power 7. 7 bits are required in the address field. So total, how many bits are there in the micro instruction? 9 plus 2, 11. 13 plus 7, 20 bits. The size of the micro instruction is 20 bits.